One.
Good day, everyone. This is a mini project by students of Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, Bauchi, computer science education students. I am by name Timothy Kambai George, and my group members are Isa Lukman Ahmed, Pascalia Ezekiel Gukum, Ilya Lenchak, Josefa Saleh Shinga, Abutu Sunday Chefoni, Fonon Praise Matthew, Yunusa Abdullahi, James Alpha, Mohammed Saleh, Rahamat Diko Mohammed. This is our project on database in hospital management system. Define the terms, requirements, entities, patients, information about patients, include their personal details, doctors, information about doctors, including their specialties and departments, appointments, records of patient appointments with doctors, medication, details about medication prescribed to patients, billing, patient billing information, patient history, treatment history for patients, define the requirements, relationships. A patient can have multiple appointments. A doctor can have multiple appointments with different patients. Each appointment can include multiple medications prescribed. A patient can have multiple billing records. A patient can have multiple treatment history records. Database schema. The database schema consists of the following: the patient table, doctor table, medication table, department table, patient treatment history, appointment table, billing table. Database schema. This is an illustration of the database schema table. This is the patient table, the doctor table, medication table, department table, patient history table, appointment table, billing table.
This is the SQL script for database creation. This is the SQL script for table creation patient. This is the SQL script for table creation department. This is the SQL script for table creation doctor. This is the SQL script for table creation appointments.
This is the SQL script for table creation appointments. This is the SQL script for table creation medication. This is the SQL script for table creation billing. And this is the SQL script for table creation patient history.
Okay, under the database creation, this is the SQL script for adding patients value to the database. This is the script for adding department value to the database. This is the script for adding doctor value to the database.
One.
This is SQL script for adding billing value to the database. And this is SQL script for adding appointment value to the database. This is the SQL script for adding medication value to the database. This is the SQL script for adding patient history to the database.
This is the SQL script for creating index. This is the SQL script for appointment query. This is the SQL script for department query. This is the SQL script for doctor query. This is the SQL script for medication query. This is the SQL script for billing query. This is the SQL script for patient history query.
This part consists of 5 areas, which includes project overview, data design, setup instruction, user guide, and sample queries. This project overview is just like a summary of how the project came up, and its contents are self-explanatory, precise, and well summarized. As you go through them, it also includes the database design, which has the ER diagram. The ER diagram is being seen as you scroll through the slides. It includes its entities, attributes that explain each entity on how activities and of how the activities are being carried out in the database.
One. This is the ER diagram, and the ER diagram basically describes how the entities are being relationships are connected to each of the entities. And for example, we have the billing schema here and the patient schema. You see that the billing schema is mapping to the patient schema, which is the arrow indicates that it is one-to-many and also just one-to-one arrow. So the patient is a one-to-one entity which maps to many billings. Then also the same thing for the medication. Medication, it's just one patient that can be for a particular medication type. Then the medication can also map to the appointments. Appointment can also map to medication and so forth. So the ER diagram basically explains itself. And if you want to create your own database management system, here is the steps, just like we did from the beginning, the database. But you create your database of management system and then you're good to go. And here is the team. Our pictures are there. Thank you for your time.